as well. All supporters of Neeraj Chopra have continued to gather here. They have been here, and everybody is extremely happy with his performance and have been very proud of him. Isha Mishra with Parvez Raza for Times Now. कैसा महसूस कर रहे हैं आप सब?
बहुत अच्छा महसूस कर रहा हूँ. देश की झोली में एक सिल्वर मेडल और जुड़ गया.
क्या सेलिब्रेशन के प्लान है? सेलिब्रेशन की क्या प्लान है?
अभी फैमिली बैठ के प्लान करेगी. 2-4 दिन के अंदर सारा परिवार बैठ के बात करेगा कि इसको कैसे सेलिब्रेट करना चाहिए.
पर आप लोगों में बहुत उत्साह है. कैसे, मतलब अभी कैसा, सब कैसा महसूस कर रहे हैं? नीरज की मम्मी कैसा फील कर रही है? नीरज की मम्मी कैसा फील कर रही है?
बहुत अच्छा फील कर रही है. वो भी बेटा, जिसका बेटा सिल्वर मेडल लेके आया हो देश के लिए, वो अच्छा ही फील करेगी.
My colleague Arunil joins us live on the broadcast. Arunil, good morning. What a day, in fact, what a night it has been for Indians. Despite suffering from injuries, Neeraj Chopra has bagged the silver medal. Give us more details.
Well, good morning to you, Akansha. What a night it was for Asian sportsmen, the sports persons. The reason for that is javelin or athletics per se has always been dominated by Europeans predominantly. But this was a night wherein the first 2 positions were taken by Asian countries. A phenomenal night, phenomenal achievement for Neeraj Chopra as well. He got India's first gold medal in the last Olympics, that is the Tokyo Olympics, in the track and field event, that is basically athletics. He was a favorite during the qualification as well. He was first in the qualification round. Neeraj Chopra heaving a throw to 89.45, which basically got him a silver medal. And the gold medal was won by Arshad Nadeem from Pakistan. Neeraj Chopra basically spoke about it, that how both of them have been very good friends. They've been training together. They've been competing against each other since 2017. That's what he basically said. Arshad Nadeem's throw was a mammoth 92.97. It was basically an Olympic record. Nobody had expected him to heave a throw at such a long distance. In fact, it was his second throw which got him 92.97. And after that, Neeraj Chopra was under pressure, but he did not show the pressure basically on his face or on his body language. And Neeraj Chopra's second throw was enough to bag him a silver medal. A phenomenal achievement. A gold medal in the last Olympics, silver medal here. He becomes only the 3rd Indian athlete after Yogeshwar Dutt, after basically PV Sindhu as well as Yogeshwar Dutt to basically win 2 back-to-back individual medals at the Olympics. That is basically the pinnacle of sports. This is the first time wherein basically an Indian and Pakistani stood on the podium of Olympic medals. This was also an unprecedented scenes being noticed at this track and field stadium in Paris, wherein fans of both the countries could be seen applauding their athletes. In fact, after their performance as well, both Neeraj Chopra as well as Arshad Nadeem, they embraced each other, showing their mutual respect for each other. Right. And this is what sports is all about. Neeraj Chopra, who had won a gold in the last Olympics, manages again another silver, basically an inspiration for many young generation sports persons across India.
That's right, Arunil. And we also heard the reaction coming from Neeraj Chopra. He said, "Abhi aur mehnat karni hai. We have to work harder now," is what he said. In fact, his family is quite elated after this historic victory. Times Now spoke to his father. Have a look at the reaction.
In conversation with Neeraj Chopra's father after his historic victory, sir, कैसा महसूस कर रहे हैं? आपका बेटा देश के लिए सिल्वर मेडल लेके आया है.
जी बिल्कुल, हमें बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि हम सिल्वर जीत पाए हैं. जीत तो मतलब सबकी जो मेहनत तो गोल्ड के लिए थी, लेकिन हम सिल्वर जीत पाए हैं, इसकी भी बहुत खुशी है.
अभी सेलिब्रेशन का क्या प्लान है? नीरज से बात हुई क्या इसके बाद?
नहीं, अभी कोई बात नहीं हुई, और मेरे को लगता है 2-3 दिन होगी भी नहीं. अभी काफी बिजी शेड्यूल रहेगा, बात नहीं हो पाएगी.
क्या प्रोत्साहन, क्या कहना चाहेंगे, क्या मैसेज रहेगा आपको अपने बेटे के लिए?
बस हमारा तो यही प्रोत्साहन है कि जैसे अब की बार मेडल जीतता है, अगली बार इससे ज्यादा मेहनत के फिर इसका रंग चेंज करने के लिए फिर मेहनत करेगा.
पर आप खुश हैं?
बिल्कुल खुश है।
नीरज के बाकी मम्मी का क्या रिएक्शन रहा, बाकी सब का क्या रिएक्शन है?
बस पूरे परिवार का यही रिएक्शन है जैसे हम लोग बैठे हैं।
So yes, of course, we heard Neeraj Chopra's father expressing that he is extremely happy, and the next time they hope